Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel has secured a consent judgment against a construction company for violating the Michigan Consumer Protection Act. The judgment was against Hummingbird Construction and its owner, Matthew Ashline, for accepting deposits for construction projects that were never started, then failing to return the funds. The lawsuit was filed last year after the company collected deposits from customers in St. Clair, Monroe, Eaton, and Washtenaw counties. Despite multiple requests, Ashline didn't return the money before the complaint was filed. The judgment requires the termination of Hummingbird Construction and prohibits Ashline from owning or managing a construction company in Michigan for 10 years. Ashline also made repayments to those affected.
Well, if you noticed a